Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get iPhone keyboard for your Asus ROG Phone 6. So in order to do this, let's open up our Play Store. Here we want to find app called Green Apple keyboard. Select it and install it. After it's done, so we will be able to open it, we need to enable it in the settings and also switch our input methods to English Green Apple, and then click on finished. Now let's check it out in some searching or just text writing, and here it is. And as you can see, it looks exactly like on iPhone or iOS devices. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.